Salim states that Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu said that he divorced his wife in her menses. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu mentioned this incident to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hearing it, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam got annoyed and said, "Command Ibn Umar to take up his wife until another period save the one in which he has divorced her passes. Thereafter, if he wishes, he can divorce her provided she has got clean after that menstrual period and that he has not practiced coitus with her. It is a time to give divorce as per Allah's command." Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu gave one divorce which was counted, and Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu took up his wife as per the command of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 3642.